the start. The place is also so amazing, so inspiring. The dress is so beautiful. Those guys, they just made it amazing, guys. Yo, what's up, Khasi people? Kumnopulong Paralog. Welcome back, everyone. So, hope everyone is doing well. So, today we are checking first time gonna watch Micheal and Rose. I know Micheal and Rose, guys, but it's my first time also reacting to them, and they have one music video by the title First Time One Bad X Bad Boy. So I don't know much about Bad Boy, and we're gonna know them today. And don't forget, if it is your first time here, join the African family and let's enjoy. First time, what happened? First time, tell us. Here come Rose. First time. I think this is bad boy. Here is Micheal. Yo, Micheal, what's up, bro? Okay. They are singing both in English and Khasi. Okay. Do something, Micheal. Do your best, bro. Yo, bro is already in love. The beat sound amazing, guys. Oh, where is this place? This is so beautiful. Oh, Rose, you support Messi. You're Messi fan, no? Oh, I'm not with you. So, guys, we are Ronaldo fan here. We don't support Argentina. So basically, the singer is Bad Boy. What happened, bro? Oh, la 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 la. Looking so beautiful, Rose. Amazing, amazing. Seeing the young yacht, the star. The place is also so amazing, so inspiring. The dress is so beautiful. Those guys, they just made it amazing, guys. I want to see Micheal dancing. Yo, now they are dancing together. La la la. You're getting heart attack. Yo, love you all. Amazing, amazing. This is so beautiful place, guys. Singer, Bad Boy, producer, one baht, composer, one baht, video, be buff. Actors, Micheal and Rose. Yeah, amazing, amazing. Micheal and Rose, you guys made the music video really look so beautiful. Yeah, and you know, Bad Boy is my first time listening to Bad Boy. Is it Bad Boy, that English Bad Boy, or it has some meaning in Khasi, guys? Because you know, Bad Boy in English is something else. I don't know if in Khasi you also have name like Bad Boy. I don't know that, but it's a good singer, guys. I love the way he sing. Like the song also is so amazing, so beautiful, especially when you sing in local language and English, guys. I love it when people mix the song together. Like it really sounds so good. The beat is also so amazing. It sounds romantic, and that is why you see these two beautiful, amazing actor, Micheal and Rose. Yo, that is amazing, guys. You know what? If Michael and Rose will keep acting, and in every, I want to see them acting one day in, especially in Ram Seshian music video, because most of Ram Seshian music video so amazing, so lovely, and those guys they are worth to make it, guys. So that is it. Thank you for suggesting this amazing music video, guys. All the best to the team One Bad Boy. Love from Africa, guys. See you soon. I'm coming to Shillong soon, guys. Hope to meet you out. Love from Africa. Till next time.